Have you ever wondered how that little box on your wall manages to keep your home at the perfect temperature? We're talking about the thermostat. Thermostats are essential components in maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient living or working environment. Let's delve into the mechanics behind this ubiquitous device. A thermostat is essentially a device that measures the temperature of its surroundings and performs actions to keep that temperature within a desired range. The core function of any thermostat is regulating the climate by turning heating or cooling systems on and off as needed. But how does it know what the current temperature is? This is where the sensing mechanism comes in. The thermostat must accurately read the room temperature to determine if the heating or cooling system needs to be activated. Traditional thermostats use bimetallic strips that bend with temperature changes, while modern digital thermostats use electronic sensors to precisely measure the ambient heat. The process begins when you, the user, set your desired temperature, also known as the set point. This set point tells the thermostat exactly what temperature you want the room to be. The thermostat constantly compares the set point temperature to the actual temperature sensed in the room. This comparison is the decision-making step. Based on the comparison, the thermostat decides whether to engage the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or HVAC system. If the room is too cold, it sends a call for heat. If it's too warm, it sends a call for cooling. The thermostat uses a relay mechanism to send low-voltage electrical signals to the furnace, air conditioner, or heat pump, instructing them to turn on or off. Thermostats have evolved significantly over time, and there are different types to consider. We have the simple, older analog thermostats and the more modern, feature-rich digital or smart thermostats. Modern, programmable, and smart thermostats offer advantages like scheduling, remote control, and energy usage tracking, making them highly efficient. So whether it's a cold winter night or a hot summer day, your thermostat is working hard to keep things just right. The thermostat's operation is a continuous loop, sensing temperature, comparing it to the set point, and sending signals to the HVAC system to adjust the climate. Understanding how your thermostat works helps you utilize it better for maximum comfort and energy efficiency. Thank you for watching.